latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Public sector undertaking Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited or DFCCIL has decided to terminate its contract with a Chinese firm. Beijing National Railway Research and Design Institute of Signal and Communication will no longer be part of the project. Chairman of the Railway Board Vinod Yadav confirmed the development.
DFCC has taken a decision to terminate that contract so that another contract can be fixed.
The decision to terminate the contract with the Chinese firm is being viewed as a fallout of the face-off with China at the border in Ladakh. Yadav, however, said delays were responsible for DFCCIL to terminate the contract.
Progress was very poor. So based on the poor progress, the decision has been taken by Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India. In principle, decision by DFCCIL was taken in April 20.
The Chinese firm was undertaking work related to signaling for the project.
This contract was awarded in 2016 and this is for signaling and telecom work. This contract has a completion period of 3 years, somewhere in August 19. But only 20% work has been done. So DFCCIL has been talking to the company, but there has been no progress.
The project is funded by the World Bank and is worth Rs 471 crore. The Railways has approached the World Bank for the termination of the project. For the contract to be terminated, a no objection certificate from the World Bank is needed according to its regulations for an investment project financing. DFCCIL informed the World Bank about delays in implementation of this contract in April. The contract was granted for the Kanpur Deen Dayal Upadhyay 417 km long stretch on the Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor. The Indian Railways wants to finish the project at the earliest by giving the contract to another company.
DFCCIL is a very, very important project for India, and just to expedite this project, it's absolutely necessary that these contracts will be terminated and we should fix up some another contract so that this work is completed at the earliest.
The DFCCIL's purpose is to decongest up to 70% freight load of the Indian Railways network for running passenger trains too. According to sources, at least 4 other Chinese companies undertaking different projects for the Indian Railways may face a similar fate. Many Chinese firms have decided against scheduled launches and projects in India amid strained relations.